Politics Watch. This is RP. Now, in case you don't know, the man where they're inside a jail house have access to almost everything with our road. How them get them? How them get access to certain things, especially, their herbs and spices. Like I know them like cook, man them like them herbs. You know the obvious. Shady water, sneaky in things. Matter of fact, just recently we saw a video with couple waters being escorted to a police car, them all and ban them. But some of the methods are actually quite creative. As them say, where there's a will, there's a way. Now when you look on your screen right now, and sorry if this picture makes someone get hungry right away, especially if you're listening to this right in the morning, and probably make you start miss Hellshire, miss Jamaica if you're frying, right? Mouth start water. Well, as you look on this picture, you see some festival. Now, assuming you're Jamaican, and you're not, but for some reason, I don't know nobody when I eat festival, but for whatever reason I eat festival, you're well familiar with it, right? Looks very harmless, right? If somebody said them I go down a 100-man station or central station or GP Rise and go drop off some other festival to them friend or family, you wouldn't think anything of it, right? Well, turns out festivals get stuff up with herbs and spices. And this is one of the methods for the liver said herbs behind bars. I did a video on showing us shoes where the man them have the phone inside of the shoes which part of the sole. Well, this is the creative method to get in the herbs. And it's not just festival. Them do it with various foods. Right? But most of them do it with meat and everything there. Normally, because when you deliver certain food, right, might get cut up, they might have a slice it up to make sure what go on. But the festival, I have to be honest, the first message I want to first message that style there. And look how the festival look nice too. You can tell this is a proper chef. Friday festival, and you have different levels to festival. It's a serious chef, Friday. Because forget the herbs in the festival and still make the festival have so much body on the inside. Because not like it's an empty shell, You would think say I just the outside shell and then the whole inside. No, the festival have body inside. Whole heap of body too. You can see the floor, you can see everything. Probably take them a while to perfect this method. I wonder how them get it to seal up. Because obviously if it have no kind of cut in it, they go stand out to the police. Or the water, whoever search. I wonder how them get it to have the perfect. In festival Friday, you know, see a line through it. And I know they couldn't fool enough to go down on a police station with a line in a festival. Obviously something in it. It could be, you never know, cause remember say Simone drop out them things there. Like I know Simone, she carry the food, okay, J-Bud and Adjis them on sci-fi. And now left out sci-fi all if you can get 10 years. So I love to know the method and the tactic. Because if them can do this with herbs, imagine what else them can do it too. And if them can do this, forget herbs in a jailhouse. Imagine where people who have far more resources and can be far more creative. Imagine where them have stuff things and if you saying gone all about. And the next thing you have to realize is the psycho did the video where the CTOC boss that I mentioned say when them hold prisoners with certain contraband, there's no real law. There's no modern day law to deal with them. Right? If them catch a man with a phone behind bars, there's no specific law for this. Some of the charge them for like the same Mickey Mouse law that's been in place for like 100 years. Well, at the same thing when it comes down to people that try bringing things against family or smuggling things, the laws are, let's just say there's no deterrence. People are like, even if me get catch, nothing much now come out of it. Now in this instance, right, herbs, them are smuggling. To be honest, they could be smuggling. I can think of a lot of things that are much worse than that. Let's be realistic here. Man, they behind bars so much years. You might go in there, you might go on smoke. You might go on this, you might go on do that. So, why did not be a ratchet or a phone you could put out it? What I really want to see is that people, when they're determined to do something, when people make up their mind, say, they want to beat a system, if they have to sit down and scratch them head and plot and scheme for 10 years until them find a method, that them are going to do. It's amazing how people can be creative to do the wrong things. You never find that funny? It's amazing how the same man will tell us that he can't do nothing in life, he can't fix nothing, he can't. If you tell him, so why not go do something, him find every excuse. But tell him, say, you want more, you get them things I know on jailhouse. All of a sudden, him turn Albert Einstein. Tell him, say, you want, I go give one number, you call one man, you go down and go work. Yo, I don't know about that, I don't know if to do them something then. I don't know if to do that, I don't know if to do nothing. But tell him, say, here, so on phone, yeah? Right. One big old tick 3310, you know, 3310 them tick. More you somehow find this, put this in something to get it past the water them and go in on jailhouse. All of a sudden, him turn Leonardo da Vinci, right? Turn Galileo. Right? Brain start function 100 miles an hour. Hey, when a time to beat the system, Simon and Simone get serious. IQ jump from 71 to 190. And look on the amount of festival, you know. You see, if a Kerry cook this is what I tell Carlton. Say, Carlton, focus on your purpose, bro. Because you see, if Carlton tell the Kerry say to fry one festival for him, Kerry jump up and say, it's modern times, right? You think say woman for us in the kitchen and cook every day. Yeah, we are tired out for, we are stressed out for. It's modern time. Stop. We take this thing for. One bag of work argument. That's still Carlton, you know. But when JJ Nakis down a 100-man station or down a Central, WhatsApp her on him little bootleg phone and tell her, say, John Kerry, you know, say, feel like me da eat some festival, you know. She fry 50 festival care go give JJ Nakis. And Carlton, who get up every day going to work, right, toiling, to help her, pay her rent and her bills them, and help cover some of the expenses for JJ Nakis you them. Him tell her, say, fry one festival no. Oh, you look smelly for walk out. You look smelly for walk out. You look slave. Carlton, save yourself, bro. You see, if Carlton then tell Kerry if you come down and workplace, come drop off lunch. She busy, she not on the time. She have to do this, she have to do that. But she will go down a Central Station, go stand up outside and wait 6 hours in the hot sun. Forget the festival into JJ Nakis. Carlton, save yourself, bro. Save yourself, find a Maybelline, and live happily ever after, bro. You can't save Kerry. You ever pass down a GPA and see the line? Some of the most dedicated woman you'll ever see. No cure the sun hot, no cure the rain fall. They not left. My son about until JJ Nakis are adjust to getting food. But fun and joke aside, just want people see the level of creativity that goes into getting past the system. But even with all this guys, them still need an inside enough time, you know. Right? Because they need to make sure say the person who are doing the searching are fit them link. Because if on a film link, then you might dig down everything at the same way down a wharf. You know? That's why we know say down a wharf, certain things can't come in without a link down there. Because when you look on how the infrastructure set up down a wharf for search and scan and all them things there, the equipment down a wharf, you know. No barrel no coming to Jamaica. If the staff them down a wharf man dig down every single thing coming to Jamaica, them can do it. But you see when the barrel, a specific barrel come in with the bag of weapon them and the bag of ammo, them need the right customs agent or whatever them call them. Right? If you go look on that specific barrel and then check off that specific barrel and make it go through. Because if it drop in the wrong person, right, who is not in the corruption, then that person will actually do them job and scan and search and scan and search, and then them go find it. And that's often how we see it on the news. Right. So when it goes smoothly, then can package and hide all them want. This is 2021. You think say man can stuff, right? A AK in a barrel or something where can be detected. Come on, there's a device to scan every single thing. Right. It's just that the man them, when them send it off, the right to the man them, well, really the wrong state, because of corruption, no say barrel X and barrel Y, right, I come through from this link, and then them go to me with them money man, and then them check it off and it go through. So the man there, if the man look on the barrel and our next staff go check it out, right, or the person will come and work or whatever reason, something go wrong, at them time they use it. Things get catch and things get exposed. Right. But not for the same people on the inside and make things fly past them. Nobody can convince in 2021. Man I said down barrel with 15 rifle, 30 handgun, 1,000 rounds of ammunition, and people on a wharf for a scan. You can't even bring in one soap and custom to know. Think about that, if you send one barrel to Jamaica, you can't, if you even try hide one soap, customs find it. If you go through airport and you try hide one phone over here or whatever, they find it. So them can dig down and find where they want to find. But they can find phone, they can find sneakers, they can find your cologne buckle, but they can't find 15 AK. All of a sudden, them eyes get cataracts. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up himself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.